Hi, in this video we can see that how to activate active profiles in a Spring Boot in a editor of IntelliJ. So first of all we have two application properties. One is default and the second one is test property. So when we cannot activate any profile, then default application dot properties load and gets all global parameter. So we can see here server port 8090 and that will start here, and test property is 9100. Now in CMD command line we can pass the argument for active profiles and it will run. And now but we can see how it's work in a IntelliJ IJ. First of all we open the editor of configuration of main class, and here modify option and add VM option, and here passed profile activate test as an argument. Now we can apply here and okay, and we can start the application and check it should be running on a 9100 port. Now that's it. In a IntelliJ IJ we can activate profile using this way. Manually add the profile name here. So that's it.